Clearbrook, North Dallas, 2023 General Motors GMC Denali short wheelbase, full wrap Expel stealth film, so it's a satin or matte finish with the XR Plus window film and limo in the back, 30 in the front, moonroofs and windshield done, and ceramic, 5-year ceramic over the stealth film. So let's take a look. We're doing a stealth wrap, so making sure that all these edges get wrapped in, all these tips, so we have no gloss paint. And we do the same thing for our gloss paint as well, making sure there's no gloss white. Everything's perfectly wrapped, edge to edge to edge to edge. See gaps on a stealth wrap? Not done correctly. No marks, nice and clean. Everything looks fantastic. We're gonna run a special on these, so give us a call. If you ask me for an estimate on YouTube, unfortunately, I'm not gonna give you a price over YouTube. Go to my website, clearbrooknorthdallas.com. I just don't have time to go back and change it because prices change frequently, so I'm not gonna post a price on here. So take the time, send me an email or call. You can text me at 940-703-8301. And the price we're gonna run for a special on these, whether it's short or long, is probably below wholesale. We only do it once in a while just to stir it up a little bit. So if it's worth it to you, give us a call. We're here in Argyle, just in between Dallas and Denton. We're a suburb area. So, and here's some more of how we do this wrap. All those edges, tips, all wrapped. Everything all wrapped in. Let's get over to this stuff, all wrapped under. All these wrapped under, all this in here, all around the mirrors, no gaps. All these belt moldings, no gaps. No gaps. All the doors, so everything goes in perfectly. All the black was done. Everything's done perfectly. No gaps all the way through. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. The roof's the same way. All the way edge to edge, fully wrapped around, fully wrapped. Everything's perfect. So there it is, another stealth wrap. This car, I gotta tell you, they had all the black painted through a company, Sewell dealership, SEWELL. Their body shop did all that. And I gotta tell you, they did a great job. It's about $5,000 to $7,000 to do all the black. So and it was quite a bit, wheels and everything. Door handles done custom, all from here to here. So we wrapped all this, and I mean, just everything got done perfectly. Real happy with it. So there you go. Any questions? clearbrooknorthdallas.com, 940-703-8301 or 214-414-3809. Thanks for watching.